Hi guys, it's Samantha, Artistic Director with Aqua Hair Extensions. Now, I don't know about you, but I've been getting the question very often from my clients saying, my extensions are ready to be moved up. Unfortunately, with the current situation, all salons are closed. What do I do? So I wanted to address this here to all of you stylists because I'm sure you're getting that question as well. So first and foremost, we never recommend for you to have your clients remove their extensions on their own. This is a professional service. They should be coming into the salon to get this service done. There can be so many challenges with at-home removal, so let's educate our guests on how to maintain them at home. Our guests' at-home routine should not change very much. There's just a few key things that we recommend our guests do differently. So first and foremost, we always recommend they use their Aqua Wetline products to maintain their extensions at home. That consists of their Aqua shampoo and conditioner, which are sulfate-free, paraben-free, protein-free, and gluten-free. Remember, no protein on our Aqua hair extensions. Secondly, we always want to use the Aqua leave-in conditioner after we shampoo our hair, before we blow dry, and again before we use any heat on our hair. This is an amazing heat protectant as well as a detangler and a UV protectant if we get to go outside and experience some warm weather. And just like their regular home maintenance, we always recommend that they use the Aqua Extensions boar bristle brush at least twice a day to thoroughly comb out any tangles. With their extensions being so grown out, they are much more likely to tangle and mat at the root than ever. So we recommend to section the hair off no matter what extension system they're using and thoroughly brushing in between each extension row. Whether they're wearing our Aqua cylinder, keratin fusion, tape-in extensions, or hand-tied weft, going in between each row and thoroughly brushing the hair in between will ensure the least amount of tension and tangles on their hair.
Yep.
Now, this is where their at-home maintenance may have to shift slightly. We want the least amount of tension on our hair extensions than ever. So we always recommend a very loose ponytail or braid to pull their hair back. But we do say with extensions, you can pull your hair in a high ponytail. However, with our hair extensions being so grown out, we recommend the least amount of tension as possible. So always a loose ponytail and or a braid, never a high, tight ponytail, especially your fine haired clients. We want to ensure the longevity of their natural hair and just to make sure the integrity of the hair stays fully intact. So brushing and pulling their hair back in a very loose ponytail or braid is key. Always, always, always making sure their hair is blown dry. Still, we cannot allow air drying because we do not want that added tension. I hope these tips can help when speaking to your guest wearing Aqua hair extensions and how to maintain them at home. We all would love to get back into the salon as soon as possible, but in the meantime, this will ensure the integrity of your client's hair and let them have a healthy head of hair when they come back into the salon to see you.